Hello everyone, my name is Naula Khan and today I'm here with the new Mext University Recommended Scholarship. So one by one, I will cover each university. Right now, Saitama University has announced its Mext University Recommended Scholarship, which is of 2023. Yes, it is fully funded scholarship and this is actually the introduction video. So what I will cover in this introduction video, basically I will go up with the courses they are going to offer for this Saitama University Mext scholarship, and then the next video will be on how actually if you are eligible then you can also apply to the this scholarship. So the second video will be basically on your eligibility criteria. So first let's move toward the courses they are going to offer for this Saitama University Mext scholarship 2023. So these are actually the courses which you can basically apply. Yes, it is offering both master as well as the PhD courses. So the faculty is actually the civil and environmental engineering. They have recently announced the Mext scholarship and the deadlines are also not near. You have 2.5 months to carry out the application process. So for master courses, you can just pass the video and you can see the courses they are offering in master degree. Similarly, like master degree courses, they are also offering doctoral courses as well. You can see here the doctoral courses as well. So you can just pass the video to see the courses, whether it matches with your or not. So these are actually the courses they are offering. So I'm also attaching one link in the description. You can just click on that link and you can see the Saitama University. Meanwhile, I'm also opening that link. You can see that after clicking on that link, you will move to this page. This is of International Graduate Program on Civil and Environmental Engineering. Recently, they have announced the Mext scholarship. So let's move toward the prospectus they have is old. So don't there's no need to look at that, but you can see the important dates. So it is important for us to see what are the dates actually. So for Mext scholarship, the date is actually 20 November and the ADB GSP scholarship of 20 September. So just wait for my new video. Actually, the new video is about the eligibility criteria, whether you are eligible to apply for this scholarship or not. Thank you so much for this video. And let's move to the next one.